Imagine a world where your home cleans itself, your pets get fed automatically, and dinner cooks while you're scrolling through TikTok. Well, good news, that future isn't years away. It's happening right now. These are 10 gadgets that do chores so you don't have to. And honestly, they might be the best invention since the snooze button. Because if technology can make us lazier and cleaner at the same time, that's innovation we can get behind. 1. Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, the self-cleaning robot vacuum. This isn't just a robot vacuum, it's a home assistant disguised as a disc. The Roborock S8 Pro Ultra doesn't just vacuum your floors, it also mops them, empties its own dustbin, washes its mop pad, and refills its water tank automatically. It uses LiDAR sensors to map your rooms in 3D, so it remembers every wall, chair, and forgotten sock on the floor. You can schedule it, track it from your phone, and even avoids pet poop like it has common sense. It's like having a cleaner who never takes breaks, never gossips, and never leaves streaks on your tiles. 2. Wopet Smart Feeder, the lazy pet parent's best friend. If you're the type who sometimes forgets feeding time, this little device has your back. The Wopet Smart Feeder connects to Wi-Fi and lets you schedule multiple meals for your pet straight from your phone. You can record a short message to call your furry friend during feeding and even watch them eat through the built-in camera. It's perfect for long days, lazy weekends, or those moments you'd rather stay in bed than measure kibble. 3. Litter Robot 4, the cat owner's holy grail. If you own a cat, you know the pain of scooping. It's the worst. The Litter Robot 4 solves that forever. This futuristic litter box senses when your cat's done, rotates automatically, and filters waste into a sealed compartment. That means no smell, no mess, and zero effort. It even syncs with your phone to tell you when the bin's full or when your cat last visited. Because data matters, apparently. It's the kind of luxury your cat doesn't know it has, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. 4. Taonu T1, the trash can that takes out itself. Yes, even your trash can is smart now. The Taonu T1 automatically seals your full bag, lifts it for you, and replaces it with a fresh one, all at the press of a button. You never touch or tie garbage bags again. It even detects overflow and expands the bag so nothing spills. Basically, it turns the grossest part of your day into something you'll never think about again. Lazy? Maybe. Brilliant? Absolutely. 5. Bob the Mini Dishwasher. Tiny, mighty, and totally lazy. Meet Bob, a compact countertop dishwasher that doesn't need plumbing. You fill its small water tank, load your dishes, and walk away. It cleans and dries everything in 20 minutes, using less water than hand washing a single sink load. It's portable, smart, and surprisingly powerful. Perfect for students, solo apartments, or anyone who refuses to scrub plates ever again. 6. Foldimate, the robot that actually folds laundry. Folding clothes might be the most universally hated chore, and now there's a robot for that too. Foldimate lets you feed in your shirts, towels, and pants from the top, and it neatly folds them in seconds. It's not perfect, it still struggles with socks and underwear, but hey, so do we. Just imagine finishing laundry day without ever touching an ironing board. That's not laziness, that's efficiency with style. 7. Atomi Smart Coffee Maker, caffeine on command. There's no better feeling than waking up to the smell of coffee you didn't have to make. With the Atomi Smart Coffee Maker, you can schedule, start, or stop brewing straight from your phone or with your voice using Alexa or Google Assistant. Set it the night before, and it'll start brewing automatically when your alarm goes off. Now, you can roll out of bed like a champion. Caffeine ready, motivation optional. 8. IRobot Brava Jet M6, the quiet mop that never quits. This little robot maps your entire floor and mops with precision. It glides around furniture, avoids rugs, and even returns to charge itself when it's tired. Pair it with your robot vacuum, and you basically have a full housekeeping team that works while you watch Netflix. It's quiet, smart, and deeply satisfying to watch in action, like your own tiny cleaning ninja. 9. Brava Smart Oven. Cooking without thinking. The Brava is what happens when an oven goes to tech school. It uses light, yes, actual light, to cook your meals faster and more evenly. You can cook salmon, veggies, and chicken all at once, and it somehow knows when each one's done. Just scan a QR code from the meal packet, press start, and walk away. No preheating, no overcooking, no pretending you can cook. It's all handled. And finally, Samsung Family Hub, the fridge that thinks for you. It's a fridge, a touchscreen tablet, and a shopping assistant all in one. The Samsung Family Hub tracks what's inside, suggests recipes, and can order groceries when you're running low. You can even leave digital notes, display photos, or watch a YouTube while grabbing snacks. It's basically your kitchen's command center. The only thing it doesn't do is feed you directly. Yet. So there you have it, 10 gadgets that prove laziness and technology can be a powerful combo. Your home cleans itself, your pets eat on time, your meals cook on command, and your chores quietly disappear. All that's left is to find a gadget that can pay your bills. Until then, stay lazy, stay smart, and subscribe to Digital Lazy, where we make tech do the hard work so you don't have to.